Hey friends, it's Shereé, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some last minute sewing ideas for Thanksgiving. So if you haven't selected something that you want to sew and wear for Thanksgiving, I have a few patterns that I think might work, and the reason why I'm sharing them is because I'm personally trying to make a decision between these options for my own Thanksgiving outfit. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're a returning person, thank you so much for your continued support. All right, let's get into it. Today's video is in collaboration with Read Your Heart Jewelry. If you are not familiar with Read Your Heart, they are an amazing online jewelry store that specializes in Moissanite jewelry. They have everything from earrings to necklaces to engagement rings to wedding rings. You really cannot go wrong with selecting something from their website. They are currently having their Black Friday sale, and that sale will definitely save you a lot of money whether you're shopping for yourself or for a loved one. And they kindly sent me a pair of earrings, which I am wearing now for this video, as well as a gorgeous necklace. And these are the jewelry pieces that I plan to wear with whatever Thanksgiving outfit I actually get around to sewing for myself. I will give you information about these jewelry pieces, but I do want to let you know that I have featured this jewelry brand in several of my videos in the past. I love all of the pieces that I've ever picked up from Read Your Heart. They are definitely worn regularly with my garments, and I'm really pleased with the quality of the jewelry that I've received. One of the pieces that I'm wearing right now is something that I also have picked up over the last year, and I absolutely love this band. It's gorgeous. So for the earrings that they sent me, these are called the Halo Round Moissanite Dip Earring in sterling silver, and they are 1 carat. They're absolutely gorgeous. For every order that you place with Read Your Heart, they will send you a GRA Moissanite report, and this tells you everything that you need to know about your Moissanite gemstone. And so because I have 2 earrings and a necklace, I did receive 3 reports. Additionally, with your order, you will receive a gift bag. So this is perfect for gifting for the holidays or special occasions or birthdays. And it comes with a gift bag, but it also, each jewelry piece comes in a gorgeous jewelry box. Now this is the size of box that you get for a necklace, and this is what you get for your earrings. It is a really beautifully crafted box that really presents the jewelry very nicely, and it protects it. Additionally, you will receive a dust cloth to clean your jewelry and keep them nice and sparkly. And I really love the presentation of how this jewelry is sent. So anyways, back to the earrings. These are sterling silver, and they are a 1 carat for each earring. And I got a matching necklace. The necklace is the Halo Moissanite Dream Come True sterling silver necklace. And the center stone for this necklace is actually 2 carats. Absolutely beautiful. I love both of these pieces. Thank you so much, Read Your Heart, for sending them to me. I cannot wait to wear these with all of my different outfit combinations, and especially for the Thanksgiving holiday. I highly recommend that you check out their Black Friday sale. They have some amazing things listed, and if you're shopping for yourself, great, but this would be also a wonderful gift for any of your loved ones. They also have men's jewelry as well as women's jewelry. You really cannot go wrong with Read Your Heart jewelry. All right, I want to share with you the patterns that I'm considering as a quick option to sew up for Thanksgiving. Now I have selected 3 dresses from my pattern stash that I have yet to sew up yet, but look to be pretty easy, and they're all pretty nice. But the main thing about these dresses that I want to point out is that they are all made from knit fabric. You may be wondering, why knit fabric, Shereé? Well, because it stretches, okay? I'm gonna be eating all the food on Thanksgiving. I will be eating all the food. I need to look nice, but I need to also be comfortable. So I need something that's going to stretch with me as I'm wearing it, okay? So I have here first the Very Easy Vogue V2040. Now this is a wrap style dress, and everyone was going crazy over this dress when it was first released. and I want to say this is a reproduction of a vintage pattern. And I like this guy because it appears to have elastic in the back waistband, and it is a wrap style of dress. So you can be comfortable, you can loosen it if it gets a little tight after your meal. I love that you can have the option to do a longer version to keep your legs warm because it will be raining on Thanksgiving. You can also do a cap sleeve with this long version. I think that that would be a really nice option, but you really can't go wrong with this dress. It's a classic dress that can be worn throughout the year, but especially a really nice dress to be worn, I think, on Thanksgiving. So this one is definitely high on my possibility list, and I do have a piece of fabric that I'm considering to use with one of these 3 patterns, and it is this gorgeous, gorgeous hot pink fabric that I got when I was in Dallas in the spring. It is a stretchy fabric, not super stretchy. I want to say this is something like a Ponte crepe. I can't remember exactly what the content is, but it is a thicker quality of fabric, so it'll keep me nice and warm. It's a gorgeous color. And no, it's not an autumn color, but I love hot pink and I'll wear it whenever I want, whatever holiday. If there's no holiday, I just love pink. So I think that this could be a really good pairing, and it's definitely high on the list. The next pattern is one that I've had for a very long time. I've seen several of these sewn up and still haven't tried it for myself. This is Simplicity S9010, and as you see here, it is a long sleeve dress with a deep V back. But there is an option for their View A, which is the top version here. It looks the same on the front side as this one, but the back actually has a tiny little keyhole closure at the top, so your whole back is not exposed. I really like that because I'm afraid that if I make View B, my bra strap will show, and I am very busty. I cannot go without a bra. I'm sitting at a triple D. It's not going to work out, guys. So I am really considering making this, but doing the View A back. Now, it might take away a bit from the design. I do have some of those really pretty lacy bralettes, so I might be able to pull that off. It's just that sometimes a bralette doesn't give you the lift and support that you need in order to really be comfortable. And since the goal is to be comfortable and cute on Thanksgiving, I might have to do the back of View A. So I think this is a stunning dress, and also I think it would look really good in this fabric. So definitely high on the list for me, and making it very hard for me to choose between these patterns. The last dress pattern that I have here is one that my friend Talisha has sewn up, and I loved her version so much that it's been on my mind, and I really think I should make this soon. But it is Simplicity S9644. Now this dress has 3 different views to it. The one that I think I'm most drawn to though is actually surprisingly this View C down here, because it does not have the keyhole, which means I will definitely have my chest covered up and be a little bit more warm. I do, however, love this version here, but this right here, something about it is just really calling my name. The only thing is the back is out on this, but I will show you that it appears that where the back closure is, I think it'll close above my bra band, and that is the hope. I'll really need to measure it to make sure, but I think this is a very cute dress, whichever view I select, and I think it will also look really nice with this fabric. Now, I guess if I'm really looking at these and I'm thinking about how often I'd be able to wear it, oh, it just makes it so hard. These patterns are also very good. I think I'm probably going to end up choosing between these 2. It's just so hard. Oh my gosh, I wish I could call you on the phone and say, help me pick this pattern, and actually have your help with picking my my dress. But if you are considering making a quick and easy dress, these might be a really good option for you. So definitely keep them in mind. Now the last option I have is actually a pair of pants and a top. And I've been wanting to make these pants for so long. This is Simplicity S9376. There are 4 views in these pants, and they are a flat front waistband with elastic in the back. I just think they look so smart and classic. I could wear these for work. I could wear these pretty much any time I want to wear pants, okay? And I just think that they would be such a nice pair of pants to have in my wardrobe. But we got to keep it funky because you got to be extra cute and different, right? The fabric that I would use to make these pants is actually this striped stretch twill fabric. This is from LA Finch Fabric, and I believe that the brand of this fabric is Show Me Your Moo. But anyway, this fabric definitely gives Beetlejuice vibes, but I don't mind, okay? Look at the stretchiness of them, which means they're gonna be so comfortable to wear on Thanksgiving. Plus the elastic in the back. This is such a good option. And the thing is that when you have a black and white striped fabric like this, you can always pair it with a pop of color. I mean, look how good that looks together. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, it's so good. So there is the thought that I could make these pants, which I know I could snap up really quickly, and I've already cut the pattern, so I literally just have to cut the fabric and get to sewing. Aren't these good? Oh my gosh. Okay, so that is the pant option. Now, the other option to go with those pants I figured would be the Simplicity 8513. And this is like a bodysuit pattern, but you can actually cut off the panty portion of the bodysuit and just hem it and make it a regular old fitted top. But I really like the turtleneck view. I like this crossover front view. And I like this one as well with the cutouts on the shoulder. But I think it would be pretty easy, especially if you don't do the bodysuit. However, if you have the snap twill tape that has the little snaps already on it, that would be a really quick way to make a bodysuit. Something to think about. But for this one, I would just use this gorgeous ivory rib knit fabric. I think that would be really pretty. And with the striped pants, if I don't do a pop of color for the top. I just realized that I had another dress pattern that I was on the fence about. I had set it off to the side and forgot. I don't know how I forgot because this is so cute. Simplicity S9175. This is the dress here. It has 3 views. There's this turtleneck view with the long sleeves here that has the crossover wrap, right? You can make that dress without the sleeves, or you can omit the wrap piece and just have this a straight dress with a flowy sleeve. So this is a wide sleeve with a split up the front. This is an easy pattern, and it doesn't have a lot of pattern pieces, which I definitely appreciate. It's really pretty. And the fabric that I think would go best with it is this one. Isn't that so gorgeous? That would be so stunning. This is definitely a fall vibe type of fabric. This was actually sent to me by Indie Stitch, and it was meant to be for a bomber jacket, but I personally think that a skirt or dress would be amazing out of this fabric. But can you see it? Can you see the vision? Oh my gosh. This is so hard to choose. But anyway, that was the last dress pattern. I do have one more pattern that I can throw in the boat, and it's something I've already sewn up and worn, so I know it'll work. I know it's comfortable, and I recently talked about it in my Sunday video. This is the Cashmerette Club Mercier jumpsuit, and it's stunning. The version that I made out of a green double knit fabric, and it is so comfortable. But the issue with this is that it's a jumpsuit. So when you go to the restroom, you have to practically get completely undressed to go to the restroom. So that is a consideration. I just don't know. All I do know for sure is that any one of these patterns would be lovely to wear on Thanksgiving and would pair so wonderfully with my gorgeous Read Your Heart jewelry. Wish me luck, friends. Hopefully I gave you some ideas on some things that you can sew up if you are trying to put together a last minute outfit. But I definitely know that whatever I select is definitely going to have some stretch in the waist. It's going to be comfortable. I'm going to be able to wear it more than just on one occasion. Those are my standards for this last minute outfit that I'll be sewing up for Thanksgiving. Anyway, I hope you check out the Read Your Heart sale for Black Friday, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel. I hope you have a fantastic day, a wonderful week, and a fantastic Thanksgiving. Talk to you soon. Bye.